Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our project title is a deep learning based Ensemble framework for the robust Android malware detection. Our project abstract is this rapid growth of the Android application has led to the increase in malware threats. So user privacy and data security to the tackling these challenges, this study approach a novel malware detection approach using to the ensemble of the convolutional neural network to improve to the classification accuracy. This method involving to the multi-phase process of the extracting and processing of the API key files and decompression, decompiling and converting into the binary code and XR files. These byte data to the transfer into 2D grayscale images, enabling to the effective feature extractors to the CNN. The Ensemble CNN model has trained to the evaluate to the two widely Android malware datasets. The achieving to the implies results 98.65% of accuracy and 96.43% of the F1 score. These findings highlighting the model's superior performance overall traditional method detecting to the Android malware with high precision and reliability. These research lays to the groundwork for the further advancements, including to the real-time detection integrated with the mobile security framework and then evaluation on the derivation dataset to address evaluation malware threats. Our project flowchart is first we have start with the Android malware dataset. We have collect in the Kaggle website. We have find out to the which type of the attack will be there. That is the Android malware or the normal benign category. So first we have entered to that dataset. So we have collect the dataset. We are applying to the data collection process. Next one is the data pre-processing. So we are applying to the three steps. One is the missing values. Another is the label encoding. After to the normalization part. So next one we can move on to the extraction part and then data splitting process. 80% of training and 20% of testing we are using to the machine learning as well as to the CNN algorithm. Model training after to the prediction is the we have entered to the Android malware categories. We have predict to the this is the Android malware will be acquired or not, we have check it out. So finally we have calculated to the metrics analysis based on the accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, confusion matrix, classification report, and end to that Flask application wise we have end to that web page for the processor. So our project execution, first we can open to the model.py. So first we have read to the data set, after to the data pre-processing. So first we can upload to the dataset. So dataset after to the pre-processing. Next one is a feature extraction. So after that we are applying to the algorithm part and then using CNN also. So we have trained to the model. We have find out to the how many malware and benign category will be there. We have check it on. And then histogram plots also we have compare our that model also which algorithm is the best one. Next one we can move on to the web page. So first we can register. So for example we have entered the CMP as password as CMP login. So register successfully means we can enter to the wrong password, so is a invalid credential. So we have entered to the correct user ID password and welcome to the CMP part. So we can start and we have entered to the application details. So for example we have entered to the part. So user enter to the randomly and check to that these one is a malware will be detected. So what are the category we have detecting to the is a malware will be acquired or not, we have check it out. So next one is we have entered to the part. So we have predicted the no malware will be detected. Thank you.